Hi, I'm Vivek, and I'm co-founder and chief growth officer at Indus. With hands-on experience working with startups globally, my role is centered on ensuring Indus makes sense to users at every step, from onboarding right through to investing. Here's what actually happens when you invest with Indus in New Zealand. Accessing Indus. You can download the Indus app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store, or use our web app at investindus.com/nz. Sign up plus KYC. To sign up, enter your email, your mobile number, complete the OTP, and you're in. You can immediately explore over 500 mutual funds across 45 of our partner AMCs. If you want to start investing, you'll complete a quick KYC using your New Zealand driver's license or passport. This usually takes just under 3 minutes, and once you're approved, you're ready to invest. Common KYC mistakes. Make sure your details match your government-issued ID exactly. If anything doesn't match, your KYC may fail. But don't worry. Someone from the Indus team will reach out to you via email to help you fix it. If needed, you can complete KYC using a certified Indian passport, have a copy certified by a notary public, lawyer, judge, senior bank officer, or any other authorized official, and email it to support@indus.nz. Funding your wallet. Once KYC is complete, New Zealand customers can fund their Indus wallet in 2 ways. You can do a manual bank transfer to Indus's trust accounts with ASP or BNZ, or you can securely link your bank account via Akahu. All transfer details are available in your wallet section. Once your funds arrive, Indus converts your NZD into INR. Transfers received before 3 p.m. reflect the same working day. After 3 p.m., they reflect the next working day. Once your wallet is funded, you can tap, buy or sell to invest in a mutual fund. You can browse large cap, mid cap, small cap, flexi cap, and many other such categories. You can invest via one-time investments, set up an SIP, or set up an auto-debit SIP via Akahu. How long do orders take? Mutual fund orders follow a T+3 settlement timeline. If you place an order while markets are open, it's executed at that day's NAV price. If markets are closed, it's executed at the next day's NAV price. Your units appear in your portfolio after final settlement is completed by the AMC. We explain how taxation works for New Zealand residents investing through Indus in a separate video, the link of which you can find in the description below.